Srishti from Scarlet Strokes. As I promised, today I am going to do my Sarojini Nagar haul. Plus I am going to share some tips and tricks how to shop at Sarojini. Because I have been going to Sarojini very frequently now and I thought I'll share my experience with you guys. So stay tuned. So let's start with the first tip. Carry a huge bag with you. A bag like this is a must because once you are in Sarojini, you are bound to shop and they give you some plastic bags to carry, which is practically impossible, and you may also misplace them somewhere. So a bag like this is a must. I bought this bag from Sarojini itself and it was just for rupees 70 to 80 only. So yeah, you should carry a bag with you. So the next step is do wear something comfortable like flat shoes, whatever comfortable for you, because you have to walk around a lot and you don't want to get exhausted real quickly. So moving to the next step, if you're going to a store and you like something over there and you ask the bhaiya what is the price, then he will say that it is for 700 or 800. Tell him I wanted this for 100. Then he will say that nahi itna mein nahi ho payega, and then he will start negotiating with you like 500 में ले लो या 450 में ले लो. Tell him मैं 100 rupees दूंगी, आप मुझे इतने में दे रहे हो या मैं जाऊँ, and just start walking away. Trust me guys, he will call you back, and if it doesn't, you can find same stuff in some other store and you can bargain down there. Because Sarojini is all about export surplus and rejected materials and they buy in kilos. So if you are paying them 100 rupees, they are gaining profit. So the maximum you should pay in Sarojini is only 250 rupees, not more than that. And more thing, if you are going to Sarojini, try to go as early as possible between 11 to 1 o'clock, because at that time Sarojini market opens and they say that Boni lagao. Boni is the first sale of the day. So go at that time and enhance your bargaining skill. And the last tip is check properly before you buy, because they sometimes have some missing buttons or holes or maybe used ones also. So keep an eye, check properly, then you pay. Yeah, these were all my tips and tricks what I use while shopping in Sarojini. I hope it will be helpful for you as well. So now let's jump in and see what I bought from Sarojini. So the first thing I bought is this cold shoulder top, and it has 3/4 size sleeve with some crochet at the end. It's very soft and summery kind of a top. Yeah, it has some linings over here, you can see. It's very cool to wear in summers, and yeah, it was just for rupees 100. And the next thing I bought this white t-shirt over here. It has emerald work. It is a bunny with a blue bow, pair up with some jeans, and yeah, this was just for rupees 150. And the third one is this pant over here. It's a free flowing pant, very comfortable to wear in summers, because I don't like to wear jeans in summers. It's not at all comfortable for me. I like to wear this soft material pants. So I bought this one. They have elastic at the back, so yeah, this is just for a design. I bought this one. I like this color as well because it's a like olive color. I can pair with black t-shirt or white t-shirt as well. So it's very trendy nowadays. They have different colors in this, like white, black, maroon, blue also. So yeah, I bought this one. This was just for rupees 200. So next I bought few 3/4s to wear at home. This was the black one with some white prints all over, very soft material. Yeah, and this was just for rupees 100. And the next one is this butterfly white pant over here. It's also 3/4 in size and same very comfortable material. And yeah, this was also for rupees 100. And the next one is the super cute 3/4 pant. It has also written cute 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 all over the pants, and it has some designs of bacteria. I guess these are bacteria. So it's very cute and with vibrant color all over the pant. So yeah, this was also for rupees 100. Next I bought a PJ, full length PJ. It has cats all over the pant and I love this one. And yeah, this was also for ₹100. Next I bought these two scarves. They were ₹50 each. First one has this black with this black, red, yellow print all over the scarf and has some tassels at the end also. And next I bought this white ocean blue scarf and has tassels in all the ends. So yeah, this is also one of my purchase, and this was also for ₹50. Got this high neck Fauji print crop top. It's short from the front and long from the back. I bought this from Big C. Big C is a fixed price store in Sarojini, and it was just for ₹400. And so yeah, and they have some monsoon sale going on, so you can try them as well. Next thing I bought is this white dress over here. It's a beach wear kind of a dress, has this thing at the back, you can tie them, and has some free flowing at the end. It's very beautiful. I love this one. And guys, I bought this for just ₹30. Believe me, just ₹30. I bought this on Monday. This is the best deal I ever had in Sarojini. So guys, go on Monday and shop. If you haven't checked my previous video Monday morning at Sarojini, then I'll put the link below. And yeah guys, check that out. They have awesome deals on Mondays. Next I have few accessories to show to you guys. The first thing is this 3-set neck piece over here. You can wear these three together, or you can wear separately as well. It's very beautiful. You can pair up with kurtis, saris, and this was ₹100. I bought this silver neck piece which I have shown on my previous video. This has some blue, black, red detailing, and yeah, for ₹120. Next I bought this beautiful colorful earring. It has blue, green, yellow, purple, orange, everything. So you can pair with any color you like. And this was just for ₹10. And the next thing I bought this cool shade over here. This is kind of a funky one and not at all my style, but I thought I'll give it a try, and it was just for ₹100. So I bought this one. Let me try this and show to you guys. So tell me guys, is it good or not good by commenting below. And yeah, this was one of my purchase. Thing I bought is this white cool sneakers. These are very much in trends now. Has some golden detailings at the side, and yeah, it was just for ₹500. You can pair up with jeans or any dresses. So yeah. And yeah, this was all my Sarojini Nagar haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon. And yeah, thank you so much for all the love and support guys. I'm so much grateful to you. I'll work more harder and make good videos for you guys. Love you a lot. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.